you, ma'am.
So over to our rock stars. I can see Prayag Shah. Are you there? Prayag, could you please? Yeah, thank you so much. And Shlok Dubey. Yes, 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 I can see you. Let's start.
Hi, I'm Priya. Good morning, everybody.
Little louder,
Welcome
please.
you to this grand event. Today, I will take you to Rajasthan for a tour and we will enjoy the Rajasthani dance. Rajasthan is located in the northwestern side of India. Rajasthan has many forms of folk dances that are attractive. The folk dances of Rajasthan are popular all over the world. The Ghumar dance of Udaipur and the Kalbelia dance of Jaisalmer have gained international recognition. Oh, I see, someone is coming.
Hello, I'm a musician. I came here to Rajasthan to learn some folk music. Can you guide me?
Yes, sir. Khamma Ghani, Padharo Mare Desh.
केसरिया बालम आओ पधारोनी मारे देश रे पधारोनी मारे केसरिया बालम आओ पधारोनी मारे देश
Ama-
Shlok.
How was it, sir?
Amazing, amazing. I will record this beautiful song. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Next, we'll be going to another segment. So, now Rajasthan tour abhi baki hai. So, let's go there.
Very difficult to coordinate, beautiful narration, very confident, and it's really difficult to do it. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am. Start.
Hi, we are from Mumbai and we want to make a documentary film on Rajasthani culture. Oh, I will guide you. I will take you to a place where people enjoy dancing. Let's go. Oh, that's great.
Sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Sorry for the inconvenience.
भूल कुछ बना जाओ जी, हमारा गीत कराओ जी, अल्लाह क्यों तरसावे हो, हमारा शकल दिखाओ जी। हर शरारत सब जानू मैं तोहरी, अरे मुझे बंगाली में कह लगे मर पूरे में जागी दो करी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाकी खुशी रे झुम 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 मर पूरे में जागी दो करी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बाकी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम
Hey, hope you all enjoy the tour. I will definitely go and make a film on this. आप भी आना राजस्थान, मजा आएगा. खमा
I would like to request all the grandparents to stand up and enjoy this fabulous dance item. I hope you all will enjoy it. Children, let's start.
And please do the gallery view so everyone can see everyone.
Wonderful song.
Yes, you can all see on the gallery view. Let's start.
Grandparents, please join your grandchildren as they dance.
क्यों तरसावे हो
Let's move, Prisha. Let's move. Do the dance.
हर शरारत सब गाऊं मैं तो धरी
Grandparents, please join with your hands.
चले मुझे बंगाली में
And teacher also, please.
Show your moves. Super.
ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स आप भी डांस कर सकते हो, प्लीज डांस कीजिए, उनको खुशी होगा। वेरी गुड।
चंदम थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बागी खुशी झुम 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 झुम
Super.
मोहर लिया तूने ऐसा खिलाना खावे खिंच कोले मारे मन की ना
Well done. Very nice.
मोहर लिया तूने ऐसा खिलाना खावे खिंच कोले मारे मन की ना हरी गौरत जब दारू में तो लगी अरे चले मुझे पंजाबी में लगे
Wow, wonderful. Very nice to see all young grandparents on the beat. Wow,
Thank you so
grandparents.
much.
Grandparents, hats off to you all. You were on the beat. Great.
Excellent. Principal Sengupta ma'am is also here. Congratulations.
Is it?
Grandparents Day. Grandparents. Babies are wonderful. From
Shomdata, can you put ma'am on spotlight?
yeah, wonderful. Thank you, grandparents, for making this show so great. And thank you, teachers, children. Great. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Clap
Thank
for them. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Thank
being
you.
here with
Thank you,
us.
ma'am.
Actually, it was pretty difficult for us to organize a show, digitally, because lot of technical problem, and children are actually excellent. And I must say this line, otherwise it will be a wrong thing if I don't mention, that is parent. One instruction, and just one instruction I gave, like I want this costume, this makeup, and how like
Wonderful.
they did everything. Like I understand the situation in Pune, it's pretty difficult, but still they arranged, they managed, they called their
Thank you,
grandparents, the grandparents came and joined them. Thank you so much. It's a grandparents day, it's a parents day also. You also made our day, and wonderful. Thank you so much for make this thing happen. Yes,
so
ma'am.
we send the link, recording link also to Riyansh's grandfather. Yes.
Yes.
Riyansh's grandfather. And so many of you.
Yes.
Yes, I must say you did that
Prayak-
very well.
Prayaksha.
Very
You have, I think
beautifully.
you have to partner with Som ma'am. You should
Oh,
be
God.
the next guest dance teacher. Excellent.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you
good
so much.
comeback. No, all the grandparents, Prayags also.
yes,
I
yes,
remember
Prayags also.
and beautiful, and I didn't catch
Divija's also.
Divija.
Also. I am going to make a suggestion, Som.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
grandparents. Let every grandparent dance with their grandchild and send a little video to you.
Yes,
1 minute.
that will be great.
Great idea.
Yes,
Great
ma'am.
idea.
That's
Just so you
actually,
can put it together. Just grandparents and grandchild.
yes, ma'am. Definitely.
I'll also look for my granddaughter.
Yeah, her birthday is also coming up.
Yes.
I also want to say that the narration was brilliant. The
Thank you,
thoughts
ma'am.
to the narration was fantastic, in terms of, actually it was like a documentary and you had thought, and I think the narrators were fantastic. I'm super impressed. God bless every parent, child, teacher, and grandparent.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you,
Back
ma'am.
to
Thank
Shona.
you so much.
Thank
Thank
Ma'am,
you.
this is Audie's mom. I actually want to request one thing. He is ready with his guitar. He
Yes,
just want
yes,
to play
yes.
Saregama.
Yes,
Okay.
Just
yes.
Saregama.
He's
Thank
a
you.
Som
he's
is
a
the
learner.
organizer.
He's learning guitar and he's very dedicated. I think next year he'll be performing on stage. So yes,
Wonderful.
Arik.
He's in grade 1.
He's in grade 1.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Mike, this audio, it's not audible. Arik's mom, it's not audible. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I took it.
Very nice.
देख रही हूँ.
Ma'am, is it audible?
Yes,
yes,
it is.
yes, you could
Somebody has to put their mic on mute. There's some other child speaking.
I'll just find out and I'll do that.
Thank you, Arik.
Suggestion, so let them also put a video together and send it to you
Yes, ma'am.
with the
Definitely.
proper mic. Very nice. Beautiful.
Very good, Arik.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Arik.
Arik, do
Good,
send
very
it to
good.
me. I will put it up. You play something, Arik, and put it in a video with a proper mic, and we'll put it up. Send it to Ishita ma'am or Somdatta ma'am, to both, and send it up.
Confidence and the collaboration.
Thank you, ma'am, for being here and encourage us. Actually, we took this as a challenge only because digitally, or like we all are used to on the stage, and we are missing our beautiful backdrop, our lights, our sound, that ambience, that all you decorate the plants,
All we are,
the
yes.
plants with lights. Like it's a kind of a Durga Puja festival for us, like the grandparents' day. From like whole month we are celebrating. So actually we are missing this, and I'm feeling like little low because the first standard, they have not experienced yet what grandparents' day celebration is for Vidya Valley. So I hope
And
next
that's
year
the reason.
Yeah, next
And
year
that's the
we'll be able
reason
to do
when we
that.
were talking then. Sorry,
Yeah,
Shomdatta.
it's okay, it's okay.
And yeah, yesterday when we had a run through, we kept saying that, you know, when you would have been in school, you would have been on the amphitheater. We would have marked your place. We would have asked you to walk. We would have given you your, you know, body language should have been this. Your chin should have been high up when you are giving your dialogue. And that is what, because we were missing the school. And that way was somewhere we could connect to the children. And today when we see them doing this, performing on digital, we really are feeling we have reached a little closer to what we could try through digital. Sure, we will be
You
there
have
next year.
Other hand,
surpassed my expectations. Yeah, I think you have surpassed my expectation. I know that we had a run through of the parent day, and I was a little bit,
Ma'am, actually, on the
strict on
other
that.
hand, I would
But
like
I
to
tell
tell
you,
in a positive way, like as I'm not staying in Pune, so as for this pandemic only, I could do it digitally. So it's a kind of blessing for me.
Positive.
Otherwise, I would have not been able to do that, and I'll be the most the most saddest person in the world. But thank you, because it's as it is happening digitally, so I'm also being able to do that. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
I want to thank each and every parent for making the effort of the costumes, the backdrop, and the support, the parent, the children. I think you have really spoken well, and of course the teachers, but wonderful. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, and all parents, we please request you all to be present tomorrow also.
Tomorrow,
And
yes.
encourage the tiny tots, because they are too small to perform on a digital background. Actually, that's a very
tomorrow we
big
are
challenge
having-
for us.
Yes,
So we are having 2 skits tomorrow, a dance.
Yes.
Yeah,
A
and I must
youngest batch,
congratulate all the
youngest
children.
batch.
Yeah, for keeping
ma'am.
their cameras on and smiling and looking so beautiful. I see
know.
lipstick, I see hair done up,
Yes,
and
we teachers
costumes.
are also sitting all
Congratulations
dressed up,
and
ma'am.
love you, children and parents.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, teachers. Thank you, parents. Children,
I
you
would
are
like
doing
to
ma'am.
wonderful.
Everyone,
Beautiful,
thank you.
everyone
lovely.
to
Beautiful.
join
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
Tomorrow we are
Your
having
teachers
a
also
dance
looking very
party.
nice.
Yes.
Bye.
Listen, children. Listen.
Just send the link.
Hold
Som
on.
and Rita.
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone,
Sure.
everyone with your costume, click a picture with your grandparents and send it to us. Yes.
And the video also.
And the
yes.
video also.
Yes.
Okay, everybody in grade 1 and grade 2 will be clicking a photograph, a picture with your grandparent and send it to us, and you will record this Chaudhary song dance. You all have this song Chaudhary dance to your grandparent and send it to us. Okay?
Yeah, we're going to put it on Facebook. We'll put it on school diary. So do send it, and on the website also.
Yes.
So I will put it up on the website as well.
Some grandparents would like to, they wanted to speak something. Kabir's grandparents.
Yeah.
Let them
Yes.
speak.
Kabir, your grandmother wanted to say something. Ma'am, तुम्हाला काय बोलायचं होतं? Sorry, आमचं प्रोग्राम चाललं. हो.
मला ते एक लहान मुलांवरची कविता म्हणायची होती माझी ओन केलेली.
सो स्वीट. ओके.
हा, गाणं तयार केलं होतं मी, तर म्हणू शकते का?
हो, प्लीज. प्लीज.
थँक्यू मॅम. थोडस आवाज ऐकू येतोय का?
हो मॅम,
स्पष्ट
येतोय,
स्पष्ट येतं. लहान मुलांची आपण जेव्हा पप्पी घ्यायला जातो तेव्हा ते त्यांना नको असतं पप्पी घेणं, आणि मग त्यांच्याकडून जे आहे ते पप्पी म्हणजे कशी नाही म्हणतात त्याच्यासाठी मी एक गाणं लिहिलेलं आहे. पुरे करांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल, पुरे करांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल. आई बाबांचे ताई दादांचे मित्र किती येती, आई बाबांचे ताई दादाचे मित्र किती येती, चॉकलेट देऊन बिस्किट देऊन पापे माझे घेती, चॉकलेट देऊन बिस्किट देऊन पापे माझे घेती. काका मामा तुमच्या तर मिशा टोचती फार, काका मामा तुमच्या तर मिशा टोचती फार, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल. आजोबानी आजीचे गुडघे किती दुखती, आजोबानी आजीचे गुडघे किती दुखती, विसरून सारे पापीसाठी माझ्या मागे धावती, विसरून सारे पापीसाठी माझ्या मागे धावती. झोपल्यावरतीच पापा घेऊन झोप मोड करणार, झोपल्यावरतीच पापा घेऊन झोप मोड करणार. पुरेकरांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल, पुरेकरांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल. आत्या मावशी मामी काकू नका माझे गाल कुस्करू, आत्या मावशी मामी काकू नका माझे गाल कुस्करू. दाबून दाबून डोपरही आता लागले दुखू, दाबून दाबून डोपरही आता लागले दुखू. घट्ट मिठी मारून मारून किती मला छळणार, घट्ट मिठी मारून मारून किती मला छळणार. पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल. दमून भागून रात्री मग कुशीत आईच्या शिरणार, दमून भागून रात्री मग कुशीत आईच्या शिरणार. गालावरती माझ्या मग बाबा ताबा घेणार, गालावरती माझ्या मग बाबा ताबा घेणार. पापीसाठी एका माझ्या दोघात भांडण होणार, पापीसाठी एका माझ्या दोघात भांडण होणार. पुरेकरांना किती माझे पापे घ्याल, पुरेकरांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल. खाऊ असो वा चॉकलेट असो, असो कुठलेही काम, खाऊ असो वा चॉकलेट असो वा असो कुठलेही काम, टॅक्स म्हणून द्यावा लागतो मला पापीचा दाम, टॅक्स म्हणून द्यावा लागतो मला पापीचा दाम, पापीनं घेण्याला सांगा तुम्ही काय घ्याल, पापीनं घेण्याला सांगा तुम्ही काय घ्याल, एक पापी नाही नको नाही नको, पापे घेऊन घेऊन माझे लाल झाले गाल, पुरेकरांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल, पुरेकरांना आता माझे किती पापे घ्याल. धन्यवाद.
खूप छान.
खूप छान.
Thank you,
अगदी
thank you.
छान.
Very
छान
confident.
होती कविता तुमची.
आपका
मस्त.
आपका
खूप
गला
सुंदर
बहुत
कविता
अच्छा है.
लिहिली.
धन्यवाद
बहुत
धन्यवाद. आवडली
सुंदर,
का रे
बहुत
मुलांना
सुंदर.
तुम्हाला? हो. अच्छा.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ajji. Thank you. Thank you.
Rita ma'am, I will
Okay.
make you the host.
Now hand over.
Thank
to
you, Shomdatta.
Oh, Rita. Yeah.
थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. अब सबका धन्यवाद. आजी आजोबा, आई, बाबा, नाना नानी, आया ताता. Wonderful to see you all through virtual on digital platform. It was amazing and it was wonderful and it made everybody happy. So have a wonderful day ahead and God bless you all. With this, we come to the end of our Grandparents' Day, the first day. We will meet you again tomorrow with a big smile.
Tomorrow.
Bye, everybody. Bye. God bless.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Love you
ma'am.
all. Love you all. Love you all. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Enjoy your day with your grandparents. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye,
you,
beta.
ma'am.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
Have an easy session for everybody. Bye.